Before beginning this video, I want to sincerely thank RC with Adam for selecting me as one of the giveaway winners. I actually won this power pack from a lottery hosted by RC with Adam. It shipped across from United States to Bangladesh, and after waiting almost 1 month, the package finally arrived. And today I am going to unbox it, review it and install it to my aircraft and test it for the first time. Let's start from the beginning. This is the box it came in. It traveled across the world and you can clearly see the packaging labels and the lithium battery declaration sticker because it includes a 1S LiPo battery. Now let's open the package. The contents are well protected. Inside we get FT STEM 2-channel Easy Power Pack version 2. Let's check everything included. First, the 2-channel transmitter. It feels lightweight but solid. The control sticks move smoothly and return to center properly. Since it's a 2-channel system, it controls throttle and rudder, perfect for a beginner style aircraft. Next is the receiver board. This board has a built-in ESC and a built-in gyro. The built-in gyro is a big advantage because it helps stabilize the aircraft automatically during flight, making it easy for beginners to control. We also get 2 cordless brushed motors, one red and one blue, along with matching propellers. There's also a 1S 3.7 volt LiPo battery and a USB charger included. And finally, we get some cool stickers from RC with Adam. Honestly, these are awesome. And Adam, if you are watching this, thank you for this amazing gift. I really liked it. Everything you need to power a lightweight foam aircraft is included in this power pack. For a beginner power pack, the quality is impressive. The transmitter feels solid and comfortable in the hand. The receiver board looks clean and well assembled. The motors are lightweight but powerful enough for their size. Now let's install it. For this test, I built a lightweight foam board aircraft version of the F-22 Raptor. It's a twin motor design, perfectly compatible with this power pack. The motors are mounted on the bottom to simulate a twin engine setup. The receiver board is placed near the center to maintain proper balance. Weight distribution is extremely important for stable flight. Now let's connect everything. Now first plug in the 1S LiPo battery to the receiver board. The LED will turn on. You can see here the LED is blinking. Now power on the transmitter. The system will connect smoothly. Let's test the throttle. Both motor spins evenly. The throttle feels responsible and feels smooth. The system isn't designed for extreme speed, it's designed for stability and learning. This power pack is perfect for beginners. Since it supports throttle and rudder, it's ideal for smooth flying, not aggressive acrobatics. Keep the plane lightweight and the performance will be solid. So overall, the FT Easy Power Pack is simple, beginner friendly and well designed. And for me personally, this kit is special because I won it in a giveaway. Thank you again to RC with Adam for this opportunity to win in a giveaway. Now the real test was the flight. As you can see, it flew but not perfectly. The wind conditions outside affected stability and control. So I will test it again in a better weather and I will show a smoother flight in the next video. So if you enjoyed this unboxing and review, make sure to follow for more RC builds and projects. And definitely subscribe to RC with Adam for more amazing content. Thanks for watching.